In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset Minecraft settings to default in Minecraft 26.1.2. This includes your video settings, audio settings, controls, and keybinds. The method is simple and only takes a moment. Start by making sure Minecraft is fully closed. If the game is still running in the background, the settings file may still be in use, and your changes might not apply correctly. Close the game completely before moving on. If needed, also make sure the Minecraft launcher is not actively reopening the game while you are working. Once Minecraft is closed, go to your keyboard and press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box. In that box, type %appdata. Percent exactly like this. %, appdata, %. Then press Enter on your keyboard. A File Explorer window will open. From here, look for the folder called .minecraft and open it. This folder stores many of the files Minecraft uses, including the file that saves your personal settings. Inside the person.minecraft folder, find the file named options.txt. This is the file that stores most of your Minecraft settings. When you delete this file, Minecraft will create a new one the next time it starts, and that new file will contain the default settings. Right-click on options.txt and choose Delete. You can also click the file once and press the Delete key on your keyboard. If Windows asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. After that, launch Minecraft again. As the game starts, it will detect that the options.txt file is missing and automatically generate a fresh replacement. Once the game finishes loading, your settings will be reset to the default values. At this point, your video settings, controls, sound settings, and keybinds should all be back to their original defaults. If you had any custom changes before, you will need to set those up again manually inside the game. This is a quick and effective way to fix problems caused by incorrect settings or to simply return Minecraft to a clean default setup, and that is all there is to it.